In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very easy green beans recipe that you are going to absolutely love. This recipe is simple, budget friendly, and it's bursting with so many flavors. In a pot, I'm going to add cooking oil. Next, add in onions. Add in some garlic. Give my onions and garlic about a minute to cook until the garlic is fragrant and the onions are starting to brown. When my onion is ready, I'm going to add in my potatoes, carrots, stir in, reduce the flame to medium-low flame. As the potatoes are cooking, I'm going to be adding in some paprika, garlic powder, 1 teaspoon curry powder, and 1 seasoning cube. Stir in. Add in my tomatoes. So next I'll be adding in a cup of water. Stir in, bring the flames to high, and then I'm going to let the potatoes cook halfway. I kept the ingredients very simple and budget friendly. So I added some potatoes and carrots. That is going to help us thicken the stew. Hence you're going to have a very nice green beans stew. After a few minutes, the base of my green bean stew is ready and it's looking very nice. So I'm going to be adding in my green beans. So the green beans I've sliced into just small pieces. So I'm going to add in. And just look at that contrast. The greens have added some color to my dish. So I'm going to stir in. Give the green beans about a minute, or you can cook to your preference. Mine, I like them when they are a little bit green. You can also add a little bit of water if you notice that the pot is drying out, because you don't want everything to burn. After about a minute, this is how my pot is looking like, and I love the creamy sauce. So to my pot, I'm going to be adding in some cooking cream. This is going to add even more creaminess to our green bean stew. Stir in. Just look at that change of color and the creaminess, and wow, everything is looking so delicious at this point. My green beans recipe is just worth trying because it's absolutely delicious and amazing. I love how creamy it has turned out, and all the vegetables in there are so flavored with the spices that I added. Also, don't forget to check the seasoning because the dish has to be perfect. Yes, so I hope you're going to try out this amazing recipe, because everyone can enjoy this recipe because it's all plant-based and very delicious.